Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mabel, and right in this video I'm going to tell you about antiseptics and how you can use them effectively to get rid of dark spots on the face and skin without causing burns, irritation, or any other form of skin damage. So if this sounds like something you would love to watch, stick and stay. I will be back with more.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Beauty Bellcito.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.
Beauty Bellcito. Glow beyond glamour.
Baby, you give me midnight.
If you're new here and watching me for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, I am so much grateful. Thanks so much for stopping by. So let's move right into the video. Antiseptic is a substance that stops or slows down the growth of microorganisms, and it is mostly used at the medical labs, at homes, at the hospitals, and other settings to stop the risk of infection. Most people mistake antiseptics for disinfectant. Now, here is the difference. Antiseptics are used to kill microorganisms on the skin, whilst disinfectants are used to kill germs on non-living surfaces. For example, when you go to the theater, a surgeon uses antiseptic to cleanse the patient's surgical site, the area or the parts of the body that will be operated on, and then uses a disinfectant to sterilize the operating table or surgical table. So when I was going for my surgery, I had an antiseptic as part of the items I was supposed to buy. One nurse recommended Savlon to me. I don't know why she didn't recommend Dettol or Camel, but instead Savlon. So I got Savlon, and that was what I was using during my entire recovery period. Now let's focus on antiseptics, and the most common brands we see around are Dettol, Camel, Savlon, and a few other ones. Now, since antiseptics have the power of slowing down or stopping the growth of microorganisms on the skin, it is believed that they eventually get rid of dark spots, pimples on the face and body when used for some period of time. Even though there is no scientific proof to that, I would say it does work for some individuals. So we're going to look at how we can use Dettol, Savlon, Camel, or any other antiseptics effectively to remove dark spots, dark marks on the skin without causing any damage or any other skin problems. When dealing with pimples or dark spots on the face and body, it is essential to follow a proper skincare routine. And also, when using antiseptics on the body, you need to be very careful because they were not manufactured or produced purposely to treat dark spots or dark marks. Now, this is the proper way or the best way to use antiseptics to get rid of dark spots. You can use any other antiseptic at all. Dettol is the strongest amongst them. Okay, so if Dettol is too strong for you, just go for Camel or Savlon. I prefer using Savlon. So in this demonstration, we're going to make use of Savlon. You are not supposed to use antiseptics undiluted directly on the skin. It is wrong. You're going to burn. And if you're not careful, the dark spots that you are trying to get rid of will come back even darker than they were before. So do not use antiseptic in its raw state directly on the skin. So we're going to mix it with water, but if you have enough rose water, then you can use rose water because rose water has this calming, soothing, and cooling effect. So if you have sensitive skin, rose water will play a very good role by soothing the skin, calming the skin, and prevent any burns or redness. You're going to mix 10 ml of Savlon with 100 ml of rose water. If you're using ordinary water, you can warm it a little. Because warm water tends to open the pores of the skin and makes whatever you are applying on top of the skin penetrate deep into the skin. So if you can warm some water, it will go a long way to help you. Savlon is more gentle to the skin as compared to Dettol, and it works effectively without causing any burning sensation, and I believe that is why most midwives recommend it to be used on babies. It helps with minor rashes on baby's skin, helps heal wounds faster, and prevent wounds from getting infected. This is rose water and we measuring 100 ml only. Rose water balances pH of the skin and it's got this soothing, calming and refreshing properties which makes it ideal for this recipe. This is our solution. It smells so nice. I used this Savlon during my recovery and I really loved, I didn't take a shower for 3 months. Okay, I didn't bath for 3 months. So I was using Savlon and warm water to cleanse the surgical site from time to time. That is when I get to the bathroom. I use the Savlon together with warm water and towel to clean my entire body. So it stops your body from producing odor. Since you are not taking your bath, you are not bathing for some time, just imagine. Sometimes you feel like pouring water on your whole body. The kind of heat and the kind of stress and discomfort that you'll be going through, you would feel like pouring water on your entire body. But Charlie, it's a no. When you do that, the surgical site, the stitch might open and may get infected. So I was using the Savlon together with warm water and towel to clean my skin properly and cleanse the surgical site. And after that, you use your methylated spirit and your dress solution to cleanse the surgical, to dress the surgical site. So when it comes to protecting the skin from infections and all that, this Savlon here played a major role. I love the smell. It's not strong, it's mild. That is why I say if you have sensitive skin, you should go for Savlon. And if you're okay with Detol too, you can go for Detol. Detol is an old brand and it's also good. Now this is how our solution looks like. You see how our solution looks like. So assuming your dark spots are located on your chest, you're going to dip the towel in the solution like this. First of all, use it to cleanse the area properly, to remove any excess dirt or any excess oils from the skin surface. So you use it to clean the area properly. You clean. So after cleansing, then you go again and then dab it on the area. Keep dabbing for like 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And then leave it on. If you can do 15 minutes, fine. So 10 to 15 minutes is okay. Just leave it on like that. If it's on your face, do it the way I have just taught you. Okay, so just apply it. Use it to cleanse your face properly. Focus on the darker areas. Wherever you have dark spots, focus there and then dab it on those areas and wait for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. You see the remaining solution, you don't have to throw it away. You can pour it in your bathing water and use it to bath thoroughly. So you're going to repeat this 3 times in a week. Do not do it every day, else your skin may end up getting too sensitive and you may start experiencing dryness, redness, irritation and all that. So just stick to 3 times a week. It's not something that is going to give you a sharp remedy to your problem or a sharp solution or fast solution to your problem. Is going to take some time, so you need to be very patient. If you are using it on your face or if you are applying it on the face, just avoid the eye area. Don't go close to the eye. This thing burns, so this thing contains alcohol and some other chemicals. It really burns, so just avoid the eye area and focus on where your dark spots are located. Another thing you must not do is exfoliation. Do not scrub the skin or exfoliate the skin, because using Detol on the skin tends to make the skin more sensitive. So using anything abrasive on the skin could lead to redness, sensitive skin. So while you're using Detol to treat your dark spots and pimples and all that, make sure you do not exfoliate the skin. You are not supposed to remove any extra dead skin cells and all that. Body scrubs are so abrasive, so wait after the treatment, then you can start exfoliating your skin. So number one is do not use Dettol or any antiseptic in their raw state. Number two, do not exfoliate or scrub your skin. Number three, avoid sun exposure if possible. If by all means you want to go out onto the sun, try and wear sun protection. At least 30 SPF is okay. So try and wear sunblock or sun protection before stepping out on the sun while treating your skin with antiseptics. If you can lay your hands on any Detol soap for bathing, it's a plus. It's going to help. If you can't lay your hands on any Detol soap, then I recommend the Vit Gold Turmeric Whitening soap for you. This is very good. Trust me, it gets rid of dark spots on the face and on the body. It is very, very good. Now, on the days when you are not using the Detol, I said earlier that you shouldn't use it every single day. Use it 3 times a week. So on the days when you are not doing the Detol ritual, just apply it on your entire body for 5 minutes and bath. Then you moisturize properly. Because antiseptics tend to dry the skin and makes the skin so sensitive, you need to get a good moisturizer to moisturize your skin, to soften and replenish the skin and aid the dark spot removing process. Okay, to make your treatment faster. You're going to make use of Vit Gold Super Maxitone Corrector Oil. This oil is superb. It's good. It's more like the 3-in-1 treatment oil, but this one has extra strength and clears dark spots better than the 3-in-1 treatment oil. So you can grab the Vit Gold Maxitone, Super Maxitone oil and use it to moisturize the body, moisturize the skin properly and wait to see good results. This oil works so well on dark spots. It corrects the skin, treats the skin and improves its elasticity. So it's going to be the best oil to use during this period of time. You can also use it as your glowing oil and it's going to shine and glow the skin without any problem. So if you're thinking of using antiseptics to clear your dark spots and pimples on both face and body, this is the right way to use it. This is how you should use it to avoid skin irritation. So I hope this video has been helpful. I will also make another video on how you can get rid of your dark spots and dark marks on face and body without any antiseptics. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video.